asuntoskeittiö Kirkkolampi.
This is amazing also today. Oh, sorry. On the 14th of July 2025, we have Harjukatu 12 in Heinola, Region, Finland. It was built by Valmet in 1982. The assumed recipe is 6147. The capacity is 45 grams. Weight 4 floors. There is no basement floor here.
Yeah.
But in the ones from the war machine 1978, 1979, they also have a basement floor.
Yeah. Tittbacki vai inspektöinti mietin tai Suomen hissirakointi.
So that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's